All right, folks, it is Friday. It's time for Hurricane Hotline, where we see who's hot and who's hotter when it comes to quick-thinking hurricane knowledge. Our one and only hurricane expert, Dr. Rick Knabb, going to be asking the questions. And if you missed last week's play, here's how things went down. What are we doing?
We're doing Hurricane Hotline. True or false?
False.
That's correct, Mike.
Oh, I thought you were going to say shutters and really make it good.
Question number 2. How many days?
30.
An insurance policy for flood. That's correct.
Oh, I think I know it.
1989?
That is correct.
I was like, please get it wrong.
A category 4.
130?
Yes, that is correct.
Yes!
What is the capital city of the state affected last year by Hurricane Lane?
Oh my gosh.
Honolulu. Incorrect. It's Honolulu.
Could I answer?
H-O-N-O.
Win by default. I would like to say.
Oh, once again, it is time for Hurricane Hotline. 5 brand new questions that increase in intensity and points. Here on the chalkboard, you can see it. Category 1 question worth 1 point, all the way up to Category 4 question worth 4. Cat 5 is worth double. That's worth 10 points. Now, the cool thing about this game is that even if you are sheared apart by your opponent in the first 4 rounds because of double score in Cat 5, you can rapidly intensify and make a comeback. Now, Mike, Alex, our contestants, once again, reminder that once I start asking each question, as soon as I start asking it, you can pick up the phone and answer it. But once you pick up the phone, it's too late. You got to answer. If you are incorrect, your opponent gets the points. Now, if you are arguing over it and tussling over the phone, I'll let a little bit of tug-of-war occur. But if it comes to fisticuffs, I will have to separate you.
I'm not bitter at all about last week's loss either, losing on a technicality.
Time for redemption, Mike.
Lost, right?
Let's start with Category 1. How many hours in advance does the National Weather Service issue a hurricane watch?
72?
Incorrect. A watch is issued at 48 hours. But
I just gave you a point. You're welcome.
1 point for Bettis.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Category 2 question. Not every community has one. For some that do, it's not strong. What do we call the minimum legal requirement for how you construct a home?
Building code?
That is correct, Mr. Bettis.
Why am I so nervous?
I don't know. This is all very stressful.
Category 3.
I can't do my name
Very
right now.
straightforward question.
What are your names? Both of us wouldn't answer this phone.
Steve?
You guys are doing great. Category 3. The central pressure of Category 5 Michael was 919 millibars at landfall. That was the 3rd lowest on record for the U.S. It took the place of what Gulf hurricane? A Cat 3 landfall with 920 millibars in Louisiana in 2005.
Katrina?
Katrina is correct.
I was like, wait, now it all seems too obvious.
I got to give you your own color here.
Thank you.
There you go.
Appreciate that.
It's 3-3. Hurricane Hotline's getting hotter.
Oh, it is. Oh, I'm sweating.
Category 4 question. For the National Weather Service storm surge warning, flooding above normally dry ground is considered life-threatening when it is how many feet high? 2, 3, or 4?
Oh.
Do it. 3.
3 is correct.
Total guess. I had a 1 and 3. You had a 1 and 3 chance.
Yeah, you did.
All right, Bettis has 7. Wilson has 3, but once again,
It's possible.
a Category 5 question will decide the game. This is a good one.
Okay.
How many manned aircraft used for hurricane penetrations and surveillance are in the fleet for NOAA and the Air Force combined, realizing that NOAA has the 1G4, the 2 P3s, and the Air Force has WC-130s. And they have 10 of them.
No. 13. It's 13.
That's correct.
I just went on brute force.
Wilson strong arms her way to a 13-7 victory. Wow, what a battle.
You gave the answer.
Yeah, you did, and I
but
listened.
see, that's how it works. If nobody's answering, I keep giving more clues. We get an answer. We get a correct answer every time, no matter what.
That was for pushing me last week. And he did say a little tussle was okay.
He did. I can't.
Oh, man.
But see, look
All
how
of
much
America would
everybody
think I
learned
was
tonight.
an abusive co-anchor.
That is true. But you know what?
Next time, you're mine.
This is going to be a whole season.
13 total planes then.
Yes, 10 C-130s in the Air Force, 2 NOAA P-3s, and the NOAA G-4 jet.
What about the drones?
Those are not
Unmanned.
manned aircraft. Yes, those are unmanned.
I feel like the important number in all of this, though, is that I have 2 victories, and Mike Bettis has no victories.
I don't know how important that is, really.
And I feel like that's very important. I feel like.
Thanks for playing.
Thanks for hosting.
It's actually a lot of
Hope you all
fun.
learned
This is
a
a
lot.
fun
It's a lot
game.
of fun. Truly.
I'm sorry I hurt your finger.
I think I'm going to survive. For all of us here at Weather and Ground, thank you for watching tonight.
Have a great night, and remember, together we know more. See ya.